A Southwest Airlines passenger was subdued by workers on the tarmac at Louis Armstrong New Orleans International Airport after the man opened an emergency exit and climbed out of the plane while it was still at the gate. Workers removed the passenger from a pickup truck parked on the tarmac. Jefferson Parish Sheriff's Office said in a statement that when deputies made contact with the passenger on the tarmac, he appeared incoherent and not fully aware of his surroundings. The sheriff's office said the man was transported to a local hospital for evaluation, as the deputies believed he was suffering from a mental health emergency. The man remains in the hospital, according to the sheriff's office. Federal authorities are investigating the incident.